My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called Bazek. Bazek is a special ransomware that affects many files right now. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll show you what can happen because of this ransomware. Now, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this basic ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon people just realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. So the ransomware is called Bazek because it encrypts files and appends this special basic extension to the data. And so when you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this basic appended extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do is researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it. And then the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the computer. You will also be able to know the information about threats, about their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner Premium license is provided with the anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. My strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection. Premium license does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from further ransomware attacks.